Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll explain how you can go abroad after nursing, step by step. Many students think that after completing BSc Nursing, they can immediately move abroad, but the reality is there is a proper process for everything. Here is step 1. Complete your BSc Nursing and register with your state nursing council. Without registration, you cannot apply for foreign licensing. Step 2 is gain at least 1 to 2 years of clinical experience. Most countries prefer experienced nurses, especially in ICU, emergency, OT, or critical care. Experience increases your job chances and salary. Step 3 is prepare for English exams like OET. Even if you are good in English, you must clear these exams with required scores. Step 4 is clear country specific licensing exams. For example, Saudi requires Prometric, UK requires CBT and OSCE. Each country has its own medical council and verification process. Step 5. Document verification. You must verify your degree certificates, nursing registrations, experience letters and passport. Many countries also require data flow or credential verification. Step 6 is financial planning. Exams, language training, documentation, and travel can cost money. You must plan your budget properly before starting the process. Important thing is do not trust agents who promise instant visa without exams. Abroad is possible, but it requires patience, discipline and preparation. In upcoming videos, I'll explain country-wise salary, cost and timeline in details. If your goal is to work abroad as a nurse, stay connected and thank you for watching.